Welcome to Hindustan Road Equipments, trader of road construction equipment. The company was incepted in 2007 at Ahmedabad. We are certified by SSI and NSIC, and our products are applicable in civil constructions and building industry. Efficient after-sales support, timely delivery schedules, and reasonable prices make us the first choice of our clients. We offer a wide assortment of paver finishers, drum, and asphalt mix plants. Our drum and asphalt mix plants are best in the industry amongst others. We offer concrete mixer machines and batching plant caps that are widely acclaimed in the market. Paver finishers and road sweepers offered by us are acknowledged for their functionality. Along with that, we offer storage tanks and pollution control equipment that are a class apart. We also provide bitumen sprayers and automatic burners that are extremely reliable. To get more information, log on at www.indiamart.com/Hindustan Road-Equipments.